Hello friends, welcome back to Do Not Get It Right with Savan Kumar, and I am excited about this session of today. This session, what are we not going to get right today is we are not going to try. We are going to stop trying. Yes, you heard me right. We are going to stop to try. Because to try is never gonna make you successful. To try is never gonna make you successful. So from today we will be stopping to try anything. And why do I say this? When some of my team members come back and say to me that sir, I am trying to achieve this, sir, I am trying to do my best, or when I say this to myself at times that I am trying to do this but I cannot. Whenever you try, 90% of the times the result would be that you were not able to do what you were trying to do. And the moment you say that you are trying to do, you are also saying that you have an option to not do it. That is the biggest problem when you try to do something. When you say that you are trying to do something, you are also saying that you have an option to not do that. And this is where the biggest problem lies. This is what makes your try attempts be unsuccessful. Because when you try with a thought in your mind that you have an option to not be successful, you would never be successful. When you try, you have already said to your mind, you have already convinced your mind that it might be or it is possible that you might not succeed. And that is why instead of saying that I will do it, you are saying that I am trying to do it. Because somewhere you have already said to your mind that you might not be able to do it. And when you start with that, when you start doing something, saying this to yourself that you might not be able to do that, or you might have to use a plan B. You have some other options. You have an option to not achieve that. You have an option to not reach there. So let's say for an example, you have to reach from place A to place B. You say two different things. I'm leaving from place A and I'll be reaching place B tomorrow morning. Or you say, I am leaving from place A and I am trying to reach place B tomorrow morning. Now, see the difference. When I say that I am leaving place A and I'll be at place B tomorrow morning, I will do everything that is possible to reach place B tomorrow morning, no matter what. No matter how many roadblocks or hindrances I get on my way, I will do everything that is under my control to reach place B tomorrow morning, and I will be there tomorrow morning. But the moment I say that I am leaving today from place A and I will try to reach place B tomorrow morning, 90% of the times we will never reach place B tomorrow morning, because then we are not doing everything that we could to reach place B, because not reaching place B tomorrow morning is not the option available. I am trying to do my best. I am trying to achieve this. I am trying to do this. I am trying to eat healthy. I am trying to work out every day. No, that won't work, because then you are giving yourself an option to not do that. I say to myself, I will try to work out every day, or I say to myself that I work out every single day. What is going to be more powerful? What is going to work more? The thing where you do not have another option, where you do not have an option to not achieve that. And when you do not have an option to not achieve that, you stop saying that you are trying to do something. Rather, you say that I am gonna do it. No matter what. No matter how much time does it take, I am gonna submit the presentation today itself. Your boss never says you try and submit the presentation today evening. He says that you have to submit the presentation today evening, because if he said you try to submit the presentation today evening, you already know that you have an option to not submit the presentation today, because had it been an urgent thing, your boss would have said you have to submit it today evening. But because he said you try to submit the project today evening, that means he too has an option to not get the presentation today evening. The presentation coming tomorrow morning would just be fine. So that is how we take the word try, and that is how you or your mind takes the word try when you say this word to yourself or to anybody else. That is how this word is understood. That is how your word is interpreted by your mind, by your boss, maybe by your interviewer. When you say that you always try your best, you always try to do your best, your interviewer understands that you only try, you never achieve. So stop using the word try and start using the word that you must do it, you will do it, and you are going to do it, and you will see the difference in your life. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.